guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this video, I'm Huda. You haven't subscribed to my channel, so go and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. First of all, I want to wish Happy New Year to everyone. I hope so 2020-21 will be good for every about New Year Eve glitter look. So how I create this look, I will show you. Let's start the video. So I have again Huda Beauty palette, and second also I have Huda Beauty. So I'm using both eyeshadow palettes and glitters also. So let's start with step by step. First I will use this palette, then this palette. So let's start. So let's start with brown. So next I'm using a pink, baby pink, or this pink. It's not a pink, it's a maroon type. So look like this. So I'm done with my blending in both eyes. So if you have glitters, you can use glitters. If you don't have, suppose अगर आपके पैलेट में कोई glitters है तो आप वो भी use कर सकते हो. But I am using a glitters, so I have many glitters, but I am not using this glitters. So I will do a glitters. So I do one is a silver, and the shade number is blue, SB001 and SB006. I have two glitters, so I'm thinking with going with blue because I have some blue color in my top. So you can stick with any glitter glue which you want to, which brand. It's your wish कौन सा brand का आपको चाहिए. So you can use this glitters also, and I have a liquid glitters also, and you can use that also. But I'm using right now this Forever 52 glitters. So I have my glitter. You can use any brand. It's your choice. जहाँ आपको glitters लगाना है आप वहाँ ही अप्लाई करना. नहीं तो glitter को लगा दिया तो फिर लगाना. So see what I कैसे लगाया है मैंने. So मैंने उसमें से निकाल के इसमें निकाला है वो. सो ब्रश, फ्लैट ब्रश लेना तो इजी से फटाफट लगाना, नहीं तो सूख जाएगा. संभाल के लगाना पड़ेगा। You can see that's how it's look. ये मैं ऑफ आया 52 MDM limited edition with liner with mascara. I got it. So ये liner पहले liner use करूँगी आज. So I just apply. You can use any liner when you are with camera liner. बोल दे दो. Yeah, okay. So I done with my second eye also. So like I hope so this looking good. So now we will do a liner and mascara and lashes. So like I done with my liner. So next I will using lashes. So I just cut my lashes and I have my lashes glue. So just take one and open it. Then ऊपर के साइड नॉर्मल लगाना and don't blow. Try it, तो मैं से ही try करो. ऐसे पकड़ना है, upper direction में पकड़ना and stick it where side. So I'm putting waterline. The same color, pink color, cover it down. And complete this look. So I done with my eye makeup. I hope so you like this eye makeup. And now मैं आधा जो बाकी है मैं वापस करके आती हूँ 5 minutes में. So I done with my makeup and everything. So this is my look what I create today. And I hope so you like this video. And I don't know कैसे लग रही है please comment में बताना. And I hope so you like my glittery eyes. So like ये पार्टी के लिए मैं रेडी हूँ. अभी I can go anywhere. So I hope so you helpful this video. If you are doing same look, please tag me on my Insta ID and or YouTube channel. So please tag me. I will mention in my story. So don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Until then, bye bye.